Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Almost 2 weeks ago, I shared this video that was a complete technical analysis on the price action of Bitcoin, where I told you that the price action has completed the bullish setup to move between $12,000 up to $13,500. And this was the article that I shared in this video with you guys. And I've also shared this article on the 2nd of October on the TradingView. And here we can see that the price action found a very strong resistance line on the daily chart, and at that time the price line was also at the support of this up channel where the price line is moving on the weekly chart. And I told you guys that the price action will at least move to the center of this channel, and if it will be moved up to this resistance of the channel, let me just show you on the live chart. This is a live chart, and if it will be moved up to this resistance of the channel, that is almost $13,500. And if we take a look at the center of the channel, then that is almost at $12,000. If I will place this pitchfork indicator at the center of the channel, then it will be easy for us to find the center of the channel, where the center of the channel is. Now I'm just placing this pitchfork indicator, and this is the right shoulder. Okay, and after some adjustment, we can see that we have the center of this channel almost at $12,000, and the resistance of the channel is at $13,500 almost. If the price action will not break out or break down the support and resistance of the channel, and it will be continuously moving within this up channel, then definitely eventually the price action will move more up. Now I would like to show you that I'm just playing this chart, and after playing this chart you can observe that the price action has broken out this resistance line and spiked up to even more than $11,700 so far. And this can be a bull flag. At this time the price action is likely to start a correction rally. And if we take a look at the weekly chart, on the long-term weekly chart where the price line is moving in this up channel, then it is still at the support, but it is spiked well, it is moved up well. We have the second bullish candlestick, but I'm expecting that it will be moved at least up to the half of the channel, that is almost $12,000, and if it will be moved up to the resistance, then that is almost at $13,500. And after that we can expect that the price line may break out the resistance, or maybe it will be moved down for the correction rally, at least up to the half of the channel, or maybe up to the support. Now if we switch to the daily chart, then we can see that we have a very strong resistance area or block between $11,000 to $11,150 to $11,000. This area is working as a very strong support for the price action. Why I'm saying this? Because before that this area had been working as a very strong support here, and here we can also observe that the price action has been facing this area as a very strong resistance, and it was rejected and moved up and again rejected, and now finally the price action has broken out this resistance area. So it is moving down to retest this resistance area again. So it can be a very strong and key level support for the price action. If it will be broken down, then we can expect that the price action may break down this 100 simple moving average as well. At this time the 100 simple moving average is also working as a very strong support. You can see that the price action is getting bounced from the 100 simple moving average again and again and moving up, and before starting any next rally the price action is using this support, this 100 moving average as a support. If we place this trend line with the movement of the price action, then the price action has also found a very good uptrend support, and this can be the market structure for the price action of Bitcoin. And maybe the price action this time will not retest this market structure, maybe it will be moved up from here, because at this time we have a very strong resistance support area between 11,150 to $11,000. And after 100 simple moving average, we also have the 200 simple moving average support. Now at this time, I'm not expecting that it will retest the 100 simple moving average or this trendline support. Why? Today I posted an article on the Bitcoin. Let me just share with you that article where the price action of Bitcoin on the hourly chart has formed a bad pattern, because the price action of Bitcoin has found a very good downline support, this trend line on the hourly chart. This is a very small time period hourly chart, and the price action is forming the different harmonic moves above this trend line. First, the price action formed this bullish shark pattern and moved up and formed the bullish bat pattern and moved up from the potential reversal zone, and finally the price action formed a bullish bat pattern, even though we have the spike beyond this potential reversal zone, but the price action retraced back and entered back in this potential reversal zone. And now I'm just going to play this chart, and we can observe that the price action has found a very strong support here on the small time period hourly chart. It has moved up and went very close to this Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. That is my short position area, and the price action did not hit this area, but went very close and moved back to this potential reversal zone, and it can move up again. Let me to show you on the live chart this move, and we can see that the price action has retested this support here, but did not break down this potential reversal zone and tried to move up to this sell area and move down again in this potential reversal zone. So we can expect that the price action will be moved up to this level, and if the price action will be able to cross at this level, then we can expect another bullish rally to the upside that can lead the price line to hit the 12K to $13,500. And as in my previous video, I showed the different harmonic moves of the Bitcoin on the daily chart. This was the bullish bat pattern, and again the price action formed another bullish bat pattern, and after that the price action formed another bullish bat pattern in June 2020, and after that finally the price action formed this bullish cipher pattern. And I told you that when the price action was forming these patterns at that time in my several videos, I told you that whenever the price action continuously forms different harmonic moves, so this is the indication that there can be something huge can be happen, and the price action can start a bullish rally very soon. Now finally the price action was likely to complete this bullish cipher pattern, and I predicted that the price action, because all the legs were driven perfectly as required for the bullish cipher, I predicted as per a Fibonacci sequence of the cipher that it will be entered here, and from here it can start the next bullish rally. Now I'm just playing this chart, then you can see that after completing this final leg, the price action finally moved up and spiked even beyond $12,400 and moved down back to the $10,000 to retest the $10,000 resistance as a support and bounce from the $12,000 support. And same is like this I'm expecting on this hourly chart. Even though this is a very small time period chart, we cannot rely on this small time period chart, but the continuation of these harmonic moves above this trend line, and we also have the support of the 100 simple moving average on the daily chart. We also have the support of this up channel on the weekly chart. We can expect that from here the price action can do something huge, and it can even cross this Fibonacci projection and move between $12,000 to $13,500 like it did here. After the continuation of the harmonic moves, that finally the price action turned very strong bullish. So we can expect at least the movement between $12,000 to $13,500. However, we should take this trend line as the market structure of the Bitcoin. If it will be broken down, then the price action of Bitcoin can start a rally to the downside. The trend can be completely changed on this daily chart. We should take care of this trend line and the support of this weekly chart. basically this this support is the same trend line that we are watching on the daily chart. So this can be considered as a stop loss, and we should take care of this support. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to my channel as well. Take care. Goodbye.